Howdy folks, StrayCat74 here. Welcome back to the Basement of Solitude. Bringing you a couple of non-narrated videos today. They're just short little things. I decided to teach myself blacksmithing, and I needed a forge. Well, number 10 can forges seems to be all the rage on the internet, so I figured I'd start small. Start with one of those. Tried a propane torch. It worked on small bits of metal. When I tried to use a railroad spike, not so much. I used a MAPP gas cylinder, and that worked a lot better, but it takes a long time. So I'm probably going to rapidly move beyond those and go to either a charcoal or a coal forge or a bigger gas forge, which is going to require a little bit more planning. This was something I threw together basically in an afternoon. Couple of YouTube videos, number 10 ravioli can, so this is the Raviloi Forge, and, 1.0, and, well, it's a little something I threw together. I figured I'd let you guys see what I've been screwing off with. Okay, well, enjoy, and there's no talking during the videos. It's all fairly self-explanatory, though. The only thing is the brick that you see in front of the forge is an actual fire brick. It was $5. That was probably the most expensive part of this. So, we're not talking a major expense here. Anywho, enjoy.